welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, I am wearing white sari because today is Navratri's third day and white is my favorite color. I have created this gold shimmery smoky eye look with the red lips. If you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. And if you like this video, then please don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends and family. Now without wasting any more time, let's get into the video.
सबसे पहले मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ कामा आयुर्वेदा का लैवेंडर वाटर और उसको अच्छी तरह से मैं अपने स्किन में एब्जॉर्ब करूँगी. नेक्स्ट आई एम यूजिंग वाइट टेप जिससे कि हमारा जो आई शेडो है वो अच्छे से लगेगा. नेक्स्ट आई एम यूजिंग मेकअप स्टूडियो का कंसीलर पैलेट और उससे मैं पूरे अपने आईलिड पे प्लेस करूँगी कंसीलर अच्छे से और शार्प लाइंस क्रिएट करूँगी. By using a light concealer, it can create a nice surface on your eyelid, so you can blend your eyeshadow nicely. Here I am using Beauty Blender to blend the concealer and set it with the loose powder. Taking the Makeup Revelation eyeshadow palette, उसमें से मैं लाइट पिंक शेड से अपने क्रीज लाइन को शेड दूंगी. So firstly I'm using the light pink shade and applying it all over my crease line. Next I'm taking pencil brush and taking the brown shade from the same palette and creating a outer V and the inner V because we are creating hello eye look today. So using the pencil brush I'm blending it inner corner and outer corner of my eyes. I'm cleaning it with the Q-tip so you will get a good surface center of our eyes. I am next using Swiss Beauty's Gold Goddess liquid eyeshadow and applying it on the center of my eyes with a flat blending brush. Next I am using L'Oreal liner and just creating a thin line on my lid. I'm just highlighting the brow bone. So as you can see from the removing tape you will get a good shape. Next I am using Indulgio Rose Gold oil and just applying all over my face, just pushing it inside so our foundation will stick properly. Next I am using PAC moisturizer and applying it all over my face. Make sure you always moisturize your skin before applying any foundation on your face. Next I'm using concealer in the shade medium bisque and I'm just hiding all the darkness under my eyes and wherever I have a black spot or any pigmentation I'm just hiding it with the concealer. And after that I'm going to blend it with the Beauty Blender. Make sure you never drag the Beauty Blender, always push it inside. Next I'm using Estee Lauder foundation and applying it all over my face with my finger. And blending it with the Beauty Blender again. This is a really good foundation. I just love this foundation. It covers all the darkness of the face. Next I'm using medium beige Allegar concealer and just highlighting my under eye area, also my forehead, my chin, my bridge of the nose and cupid's bow. Just highlighting my cheeks and blending it again with the Beauty Blender. This concealer will make our face brighter. So whenever you are using your skin tone foundation, make sure you use the lighter shade of your foundation, so it will highlight your face and highlight your areas like under eye, your jawline. Next, I'm taking the Makeup Studio's brown contour shade. I'm just contouring my cheekbones with the brush. And next I'm going to blend with the Beauty Blender. Next I'm contouring the nose area using same contour shade, and I'm just slightly blending with the Beauty Blender again. यूजिंग लूज पाउडर एंड जस्ट बेकिंग द अंडर आई एरिया, जिससे कि जो अपना अंडर आई होता है वो क्रीज ना हो. Just dusting off the excess, and then again I'm using the Wet n Wild contour palette. I'm just doing the powder contour over here with the angular brush. You can take any angular brush. After that I am just filling my brows with the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in the shade Ebony, I guess. All product description will be in the description box. You can check out. Next I am taking Makeup Revolution highlighter and just highlighting my brow bone. I am using a L'Oreal gel liner and creating an eyeliner with the help of eyeliner brush from Kryolan. This is really cheap brush. You will get it in 50 rupees or 40 rupees from any Kryolan store. Next I am using L'Oreal blush in the shade City Explorer. I feel this is little pale shade, so I will be thinking of taking one more shade, and I will be taking Sugar blush shade. I don't remember. I will post it in description box. Next I'm taking MAC highlighter in the shade Soft and Gentle. Just highlighting usual area, then dust it off the excess. Next I'm taking NYX makeup setting spray and setting my face. Then I'm taking Smashbox lip shade in the shade Bauze. Just lining my outer line, lip outer. I am just lining my lips with the Miss Claire lip liner. This is the final look. I hope you will like this look, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Love you. Bye.